Hey, I am Para24. Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you make money online from home. This is our another video and a case study live project series video. In this part I will look at 50 plus of the best affiliate programs that pay the highest commission. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Let's go started. Every day, thousands of publishers benefit from a recurring cash inflow by partnering up with other companies via affiliate programs. Dear audience, affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to monetize your blog, especially when you don't sell products or services. Joining an affiliate program can get you exclusive access to new content and special deals for your audience, all while earning you more money. There are many types of affiliate programs, ranging from online courses to website builders to marketing and business affiliates. Here, we're going to explore the best affiliate programs with the highest earning potential to ensure you can make money off the content you provide. But first, what exactly is an affiliate program and how it's work? What is an affiliate program? An affiliate program is an agreement in which a business pays another business or influencer, the affiliate, a commission for sending traffic and/or sales their way. This can be achieved through web content, social media, or a product integration. To further understand affiliate programs, let's consider an example. Wirecutter.com, a New York Times company, is a website that lists product recommendations for shoppers. Wirecutter largely earns commission based on affiliate relationships with retailers. The publication's affiliate monetization model might make you doubt the legitimacy of its recommendations, but, in fact, it's quite the opposite. Wirecutter only makes commission when a reader purchases a product from an affiliate retailer and doesn't return the product. Wirecutter, then, has no incentive to promote inferior products. If they did, they'd make less money and turn away readers. Next, how do affiliates make money? The affiliate gets a unique link from which clicks can be tracked, typically using cookies. The cookie then tracks the user to see if they make a purchase. If they do within an allotted amount of time, then the affiliate will earn commission. Each cookie has a length or cookie life, which simply defines how long the cookie will be tracking the user's online activity. For example, if a cookie has a 30-day life, your referral needs to make a purchase within 30 days of clicking your affiliate link in order for you to get paid, otherwise the lead will no longer be trackable. Actually, if you're in affiliate program, there are different types of affiliate networks, and you'll want to pick the one best suited for your business. Let's dive into the types of affiliate programs in 2023, next. Types of affiliate programs or networks. If you're looking to promote products or services, there are a few affiliate programs you can consider. When choosing an affiliate program, you'll want to keep in mind the avenues or platforms where your audience spends the majority of their time. For instance, does your buyer persona typically read blog posts, scroll Facebook, or use search engines when researching new products? Alternatively, is your buyer persona someone who's always looking for a good deal and would appreciate a link on a coupon site? Or are they more interested in doing tons of research before purchasing, making your promotion efforts more worthwhile on a review site? While those are questions you'll have to consider for yourself, let's take a look at some general types of affiliate programs so you can begin brainstorming potential avenues for your own marketing efforts. How much can you earn? The affiliate marketing industry is growing steadily. Statista reported that spending on affiliate marketing in the US was predicted to reach $8.2 billion by 2023. That's up considerably from $6.4 billion in 2018 and $2.6 billion in 2011. Another study from VigLink offers a closer look at just how much income affiliate marketers are making. According to the survey, 9% of publishers produced more than $50,000 in affiliate income in 2016. The majority of merchants, 65%, said they were making between 5% and 25% of their annual revenue from affiliate marketing. The survey also showed a link between experience and revenues. Among the merchants with the most revenue, 60% had been involved in affiliate marketing for 5 years or more. Search affiliates. With this program, marketers pay their own money to promote affiliate offers on search results or other online advertising platforms like Facebook advertising. This is a great option for marketers with an SEO background and want to A/B test to see which ads result in the most referrals and ROI. Influencer programs. Review sites. Coupon sites. Email marketing. Which is best affiliate programs? Number 1, HubSpot. Commission, 15% recurring or 100% of the first month's revenue. Cookie life, 90 days. HubSpot's mission is to help millions of organizations grow better. HubSpot's award-winning CRM platform, which is comprised of Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, and Operations Hub, and a powerful free CRM, gives thousands of companies the tools they need to manage the customer experience, all the way from awareness to advocacy. Really, dear friends, you have the choice between a 15% recurring rate for up to 1 year or a flat rate corresponding to 100% of the first month's revenue. It's great. HubSpot's plans range from $50 all the way up to $3,000 plus per month. And it is not uncommon for customers to purchase more than one product at a time. So these payouts could quickly add up. Our next side, number Elementor. When you join HubSpot's affiliate program, you gain access to a large creative inventory, including demo videos, banners, and copy examples, all designed to help you earn the most commission possible. Plus, you can cultivate a one-on-one relationship with the HubSpot affiliate team, whose members are all dedicated to helping you succeed. If you have a large business audience or want to monetize your content, then our affiliate program is likely well suited for you. You can learn more about HubSpot by reading HubSpot reviews. Our Elementor commission, 50% per sale. Our Elementor cookie life, 45 days. Here, we're going to explore. Elementor is a dynamic drag-and-drop website builder used to create more than 7% of all the world's websites. With hundreds of widgets, integrations, website templates, and design tools, Elementor users can customize and scale their WordPress website building process without writing a single line of code. Unique amongst WordPress website builders, Elementor now offers cloud hosting features, as well. Yet, Elementor is more than simple software. It has 200,000 members in its online community where web creators share advice, host meetups, and push each other to professional growth. Elementor affiliates earn 50% per sale. The software has 5 pricing packages, ranging from $49 to $999 per year. This broad array of pricing tiers makes it easier for affiliates to strategically market various plans to specific audiences. Otherwise, with notable affiliates earning north of $10,000 a month, Elementor is an attractive option to consider. I think if you're looking for a long-time earning platform, this is your right choice. Just take action and start. Okay, good. Now we see our next site. It's Moosend, and number 4. Moosend's commission, 30% lifetime recurring. Moosend's cookie life, 90 days. Moosend is an affordable all-in-one email marketing automation solution that enables marketers to promote their business and increase their customer base with engaging campaigns. Dear audience, apart from the user-friendly email editor, you'll get access to online forms, landing pages, audience management tools, segmentation, and personalization features to turn your subscribers into loyal advocates of your brand. Moosend's affiliate earn a 30% lifetime recurring commission on every plan that your contacts buy. The 90-day cookie will give your audience the time they need to make a purchase, while you can earn extra commissions when your contact upgrades their plan. You would get this side link in our video description box. Really, dear friends, Moosend affiliates can benefit from the pre-made materials, banners, templates, etc. and available resources found in their affiliate dashboard. The affiliate team is also ready to assist and help solve problems that may arise. I think if you're looking for a long-time earning platform, this is your right choice. Just take action and start. Let's go started next. Number 4, AWeber. AWeber, commission, 30% recurring. AWeber, cookie life, 1 year. AWeber has been the autoresponder of choice for over 1 million businesses and entrepreneurs since 1998. It's a great tool for newsletter and email drip campaigns. Affiliates of AWeber can earn substantial income through 2 different channels. Their in-house program offers a lifetime 30% commission. Plans typically range from around $20 to $150 per month, so the payout can add up. Alternatively, you can earn up to $300 per account through CJ Affiliate. However, the cookie life with this option is only 45 days, rather than 1 year.